Okay, this will be my monthly bedroom system test, and we will be testing every single system I have in here. Alright, but before we can get started, let's enable my spam codes. Alright, now let's start off with the Powerseries 9047. Let's arm it with the keypad. Let's arm stay. And we wait for it to arm. The system has now been armed, and now we test the entry delay. And we will be disarming it with the key fob once the siren sounds. Alright, let's clear the alarm memory. Alright. Next up, we will be testing the bedroom motion sensor, so let's arm it away. Alright, move around. Alright. Next up, we will be testing the bedroom window, so let's just arm safe. We will be testing the shock function. The shock sensor is over here. It is also contact. Alright, we will be testing the glass breaks later, so I need to test it now. Next step, okay, but first let's clear the alarm memory. Oh yeah, before I forget, let's test the panic buttons here. Alright, the system's good. Now we will be testing the Lynx touch panels. This panel will be tested differently, unlike this, because like this one doesn't have a speaker. So I'm gonna be setting both of these off at the same time. So yeah, let's get started. 1, 2.
Armed away. Exit now. Armed away.
Alright. Now we will set off the entry and exit zone.
Start system now. Alarm. Right. Bedroom. Door. Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Check. Zone. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
Alright, next up we will be setting off the left door, which does not have an entry delay.
Armed away. Exit now.
We don't have to wait for the exit delay, we can just open it.
Alarm. Left. Bedroom. Door. Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Check. Zone. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
Next up we will be setting off the bedroom window.
Armed away.
Right.
Disarmed. Ready to arm. Armed away.
And now we just open the window.
Alarm. Bedroom. Window. Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Check. Zone. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
Next up we will be setting off the panics one by one.
Alarm. Medical. Emergency. Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Check. Zone. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
Next up we will be doing a burglary panic.
Alarm. Burglary. Emergency. Disarmed. Not ready
Next
to
up
arm.
we're doing the fire
Check.
panic.
Zone.
This will also set the Neo off as I have it tied in.
Fire. Alarm. Fire. Emergency. Disarmed. Ready to arm. Check. Zone. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
Now the last part about testing the Lynx, I'm not gonna do it with the L5100 since there's no point since it doesn't have a speaker, but I'm gonna do it with the L5000 because like, you know, I'm just gonna make it speak every single zone name, like, cause why not?
Armed away. Exit now. Armed away.
Alright.
Disarm system now.
get ready to open this door.
Alarm, bedroom, window. Alarm, right, bedroom, door. Alarm, left, bedroom, door. Alarm, medical, emergency. Alarm, burglary, emergency. Alarm, system tamper.
Siri, turn the light on.
Fire, alarm, fire, emergency. Alarm, bedroom, window. Alarm, right, bedroom, door. Alarm, left, bedroom, door. Alarm, medical, emergency. Alarm, burglary, emergency. Alarm, system tamper. Disarmed, not ready to arm. Check zone.
Now we're going to be clearing the alarms.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Alright, next up we will be testing the closet system. And then after that we will be testing the Vista and then finally the Neo because we need to get access to the closet to test some zones on the Vista. Alright. Zone 5, 6, 7, 9 went into alarm. Zone 5 is this door. Zone 6 is this door. Zone 7 is the Lynx fire alarm tie-in, and Zone 9 is the new battery motion sensor up there. Now we have tested the system. We will be now... Okay, excuse me. We will now be testing the Vista. Alright. Okay, we will be setting off the right door and then the left one. Alright. We'll be setting this one off next. Actually, we will be setting off the carbon monoxide first, because like you can just cancel that without disarming while we wait. So let's just short it. This does code 3, and that keypad does code 4. Alright, we have silenced the alarm. We will now be setting this off now. Alright, next up we will be testing the better motion. Alright, the better motion. Alright, next up we're going to be testing the window. We don't need to wait for the exit delay to run out for the window because it's a perimeter zone. So once I trip it like this, the Vista will go off. Alright. We have tested 5 out of 6 zones. The bedroom glass break. Actually, I was gonna test it today, but it appears I ran out of glass to break, so I will not be testing any glass breaks. Now, last but not least, we will be testing the main bedroom system. But first, before we test any zones or any panics, we will be testing the tampers. So yes, let's start with this keypad. I forgot that's not the code anymore. And now we just need to tamper it, and it will go off. Oh, I forgot we have to wait for the exit delay to finish. No way, just tamper it. Hello? That is interesting. The alarm did not go off when I armed it away. Let's try with this keypad. Excuse me, I gotta tie this. I'm planning on getting a switch for this keypad, so these wires are meant for to prevent auto arming, and I gotta put it back together. Sorry about that. There we go. The system is ready to arm. We just arm it. It is armed. We tamper it. There we go. I don't know why it did not work for partition 1. Alright, let's try again, but with the closet system armed. Let's see. Alright, the system. Now let's get started testing. Bedroom door works. Actually, we can arm it stay. Exit delay termination, so awesome. Alright. Interesting. We will be setting off the motion. Hello? Okay, it looks like it's being a little bit glitchy. Let's try again. We're setting off the window. So we're just gonna arm it stay, then do the exit delay termination. Alright, just open. Alright, now next up we'll be setting off the fire alarm with the Lynx tie-in, but since we already tested that and we know it works, I'm gonna be showing you how to manually set it off by shorting the resistor by the window. Alright, so let's locate the resistor over here. Here it is. Now we just short it with any metal objects, like so. Please wait. There we go. Alright, last but not least, we'll be testing these panics. Medical. Panic. This concludes our system test. Thank you for watching, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.